Hello, everyone. Sorry if I scared you there. It's Adam here. This is actually a part that, it replaces another part. Where's the other part? All kinds of shit around here. Where did I put it? Oh, it's over here. So, your GS, or GS Adventure, I'm not sure if the GS has this. The GS probably came with this guy here. And this thing here goes, and sorry, it's all stripped down, but there's your windscreen, there's your fairing and beak, I guess, and then this goes right into there, just like that. I don't like this because it's clear. I wanted black. So my last bike, I actually plaster dipped this black, but it started peeling almost immediately. So I'm going a different route this time, and that's that route is considered or called giving Touratech money. So here's their version of that. Let's unpack it actually and look at it compared to the stock version. All right, so here's the stock version right on top of the Touratech version. So larger. And on their website, actually, it says it does not fit the 2017 or 2018 GS Adventure, but someone who has that bike told me it does. So let's stage this up here. So it's going right here like this. See how it kind of comes under there? Now, another concern of mine was compatibility with the Alt-Rider headlight guard. It's going to come right here. And the same guy said he has the Alt-Rider headlight guard, and it's no problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the Alt-Rider headlight guard mounted, and then we will be back, and we'll finish up the video with this and the Alt-Rider headlight guard mounted kind of as a combo. All right, so we're back with the Alt-Rider guard on now. Let's see if this, oh yeah, looks like we're good. Let's give this a shot. So what we're gonna do is we're going to pretend the winglets are still on. We're gonna pull this back, pieces off. Don't lose the plastic pieces at the bottom. It's very, very important. There we go. I'm going to slip this down here. Actually, do we go, I guess we go over it? Or do we go under it? Looks like we go over it, actually. So we're back now. We have the Alt-Rider guard installed. We've got those upper T25s out. Here's our winglet, by the way. This is our, I guess, our driver's side winglet. You can see right here. So let's screw this into the side. You know, the bike's kind of in pieces right now, but I want to make sure this fits. This is really a fitment video because the installation is not that hard. You remove the plastic piece and then reinstall this in there. But if this is not compatible with the Alt-Rider headlight guard, then I'll pick the Alt-Rider guard over this. Well, here it is. So it does fit. I may actually Dremel this right there because that doesn't fit. You can see here how those are grinding. It's in. I just don't think this is going to fit long term. You can see there how it's very tight right there. And this kind of just looks awkward. This little hump there kind of looks awkward. Well, let's see how it looks with the slipscreen. Then we'll decide if we want to do it or not, or keep it long term. I might just trim this out a little bit. And just to share kind of the look I'm going for here. I guess this is a sneak preview. Is this. So you've got the basically all black look up here. Machine Art Moto slipscreen, very easy to install. And you've got the Touratech right here, and the Alt-Rider guard, and then their GSA winglets right there. I also have over here some smoked winglets that are the fairing ones that go right here to replace the clear plastic ones. Again, I plastic dipped those last year and they just didn't look right. So I'm gonna walk away, go have some dinner. I'm gonna think on this. The next couple of days I might either sell it or trim it down to make it fit better with the alt-rider bar. But only I need to do now is test fit my Z-Tech touring windscreen, make sure that fully fits. If that fits fine, then I think we'll keep it. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. This has been a Touratech anti-glare guard, but also compatibility with the alt-rider headlight guard, which is it works. Thanks for watching.